Mullens trip 2020. Say hi.
Hi.
Hola. Hello.
Where are we, everyone? Heck yeah.
Swedish
Honey,
donuts.
honey, get the kids in the car now. With the cash in the trunk, get the keys, let's go. Hit the biggest bank in Chicago. For all it had, we're the thieves you know. Remember the thing that I told you 3 years, 2 moons ago. Promise I'll be right behind you, but you're gonna die if you don't hit the road. Keep your lights down, keep your voice down low. Wear your head down, whichever way you go, and I'll meet you in night. Three kids in the back of a cab. She said, come here and kiss your wife. And I know you're real mad at me. You're on your way to some kind of life. Daniel, John, and Abby promise me to treat your mother nice. Keep your lights down, keep your voice down low. Wear your head down, whichever way you go, and I'll meet you in Idaho. I'm barely 50 and coming with me for all the debts I owe. Don't have to kiss me, just bear with me, and I'll be back someday, I hope. And I know you'll miss me, I'm barely 50 and coming with me for all the debts I owe. Kiss me, just bear with me, and I'll be back someday, I hope. Oh, I hope.